How to update all apps at once on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can update all of your apps at once on your Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to update all of your Android apps, which is from your Play Store, instead of searching for them one after another and updating them simultaneously, you want to update them at the same time. So in order to do that, after you open up your Play Store, tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. And then what you want to do is simply go to the option called Manage Apps and Devices. Once you tap on it, right here you can see updates available. So when you tap on updates available, you will be able to see a list of all the applications installed on your phone that has an update available. So now if you want to update it, all you have to do is just tap the update all option that you can find from the top right. And once you tap on the update all option, all your apps will get updated to the latest version. This way you can update all your apps on Android at once. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.